अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम न्यू ऑक्सफोर्ड मॉडर्न इंग्लिश बुक 3 में पोएम प्ले टाइम की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। दिस इज़ द पोएम जिसकी हमने रीडिंग और एक्सप्लेनेशन बहुत डिटेल में की है। आज हम इसकी एक्सरसाइजेस करेंगे, लेकिन एक्सरसाइजेस शुरू करने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें। तो चलें शुरू करते हैं। ये पेज नंबर 23 एक्सरसाइज 1 है। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन ए इज व्हाट गेम इज द चिल्ड्रन प्लेइंग, कि बच्चे कौन सी गेम खेल रहे थे। सो द आंसर इज, we are going to take the answer from here. The children are playing imaginary spy game. The children are playing imaginary spy game. Imaginary spellings note कर लीजिए। IMAGINARY. Come to the second question. What is the mission? So इसका आंसर हम लिखेंगे getting या ब्रिंगिंग। ठीक है, गेटिंग सम गोल्ड एप्पल्स इज द मिशन। क्वेश्चन सी, हु इज द जायंट बीस्ट? फादर इज द जायंट बीस्ट। फादर इज द जायंट बीस्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर डी इज व्हाट डज द चाइल्ड कंपेयर द bushes and the wall to? So here on page number 21 we have the answer of this question in these two lines, right? So we would say that the child, from here we are going to take the answer from here. आप यहाँ से इसको शुरू कर सकते हैं और दा का टी आप कैपिटल कर देंगे। जब आप आंसर लिखेंगे आप दा का टी कैपिटल लिख देंगे। ठीक है। The child compares the bushes with twisted wire and the wall with glowing warm fire. Once again I'm repeating the answer. The child compares the bushes. Compares. See, आंसर में हम कंपेयर के साथ एस लगाएंगे, कंपेयर नहीं कंपेयर्स करेंगे। द चाइल्ड कंपेयर्स द bushes with twisted wire and wall with glowing warm fire. Number E, what is the safe place or base? So the answer is, the safe place or base is the garden shed. The garden shed. ठीक है। What is the dark layer? What is the dark layer? The dark layer is the old garden chair. Here it is mentioned. See, ये है यहाँ। कहते हैं this is dark layer. He returned to settle in his dark layer. Actually just the old garden chair. So what is the dark layer? The old garden chair is the dark layer. What do the children do to celebrate their win? So we will say that they eat the apples. Eat भी कर सकते हैं हम, munch भी कर सकते हैं। See here in this line we are told that the girls munched on we munched on our apples. It means they munched on their apples, right? So if we can simply say that the girls, they eat the apples which they brought from the tree to celebrate their win. Done? Okay, these questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. Come to this question. Who do you think says, the monster, the beast has got you now? Could anyone else have said this? So we know that here when the spy girl was attacked by the monster, she yelled. Her sister looked up. When she yelled, her sister looked up and saw that her sister, who was playing the role of a spy, has been caught by the monster. So she screamed. What she screamed? This line. She screamed and she said this line. It means that we can say that it must be the sister. Here we can write it must be the, here we can write that it must be the sister. Now next question, write two short accounts describing what happens in the children's imaginative game. Now here we have been asked about what happened in the children's imaginative game. So we can say that in children's imaginative game, they were spies on mission while the father was a beast and the apples were gold to them, right? Okay, what really happens, what is in reality happening, ये सब तो उनकी इमेजिनेशन में चल रहा था. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर उनकी इमेजिनेशन में चल रहा था. बट इन रियलिटी both the sisters and their father were playing an imaginary game to have fun. Right? Come to question number 2. Answer the questions about these lines from the poem. This line is taken from the poem and we have to answer all these questions about these lines. Okay. I did not notice the bee's beady eye opening slowly. My dad could be sly. As I have told you before when we were having the reading, that sly means cunning. Who does not notice the beast? So it was the girl who was playing the role of a spy. Who is the beast? Father is the beast. Who does not notice the beast? The girl who was playing the role of a spy. Who is the beast? Father is the beast. How does the poet show us what is really happening? So we can say that in every stanza here, see, in every stanza, if you notice these lines, this line, and then again, see here in this line, and then here. So we can say that in every stanza, answer of this question, in every stanza, poet described in the brackets what was really happening and what was going on in imaginary game. Done. What happened next? What happened next means after these lines, what happened next? We can say that the father joined the game as a beast and caught the girl. The father joined the game as a beast and caught the girl. Okay. Come to next exercise. It's our exercise B, working with words. Find rhyming words in the poem for the following. Rhyming words are same sound words. Okay, same sound words. For if you have read this poem and if you have very keenly read this poem, so you can easily know what the rhyming words of these words. Okay, for old there was word gold. There was word gold. Head, shed. Head, shed. Grew, flew. F-L-E-W, flew. These are the words from the poem. East, beast. East, beast. Pie, eye. Call, wall. Losing, snoozing. dreamed, screamed. Done. Okay, now we have the next question, and this is about matching the words to their similar meanings. Like grabbed का मतलब होता है पकड़ लेना. So the similar word for grab is captured. दोनों का मतलब सेम होता है. grabbed means पकड़ लेना, captured means गिरफ्तार कर लेना, पकड़ लेना. snoozed ऊँघना. snoozed cannot be fight, act, beaten, so it must be dozed. pretend का मतलब होता है दिखावा करना. so दिखावा करना क्या होता है? simply acting. defeated, beaten, battle लड़ाई, fight लड़ाई टू. ओके जी. सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव दिस एक्सरसाइज. नाउ जिस तरह से पेज नंबर 19, इफ यू सी पेज नंबर, सॉरी नॉट पेज नंबर 19, पेज नंबर 21, जिस तरह से पेज नंबर 21 में सी बुशेस को ट्विस्टेड वायर और वॉल को ग्लोइंग वार्म फायर से कंपेयर किया गया है. सेम इसी तरह से हियर यहाँ हमें कॉलम बी में वी आर गिवन सम ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड इन कॉलम ए इनके करीब तरीन जो एडजेक्टिव्स बनते हैं दे आर गिवन. सो वी आर सपोज टू मैच देम. ओके, तो अब हम इसको कैसे मैच करेंगे? हम ऑब्जेक्ट को वी आर गोइंग टू मैच द ऑब्जेक्ट विद द एडजेक्टिव. लाइक एज ग्रीन which what can be as green? Snow cannot be green, daisy cannot be green, needle, you know that needle, it cannot be needle, so green is actually grass. Then as white, everyone knows that no option is more appropriate than snow for white, क्योंकि snow भी white होता है. proud, अब proud में हमारे पास daisy cannot be, हमारे पास प्राउड में हमारे पास ऑप्शंस हैं डेजी, नीडल, पीकॉक, हिल्स. तो प्राउड तो बच्चों इट्स जस्ट द पीकॉक जिसे अपनी खूबसूरती पे बहुत नाज होता है. शार्प क्या होता है? शार्प इज नीडल. एज ओल्ड सबसे ज़्यादा क्या चीज़ हैं? दीज आर द, यू कैन डायरेक्टली मैच इट. और फ्रेश, एज फ्रेश, तरोताज़ा, अ डेजी. डन टिल हियर. ओके, सो वी हैव डन ऑलमोस्ट 5 to 6 एक्सरसाइजेस. तो इस वीडियो में हमने ये सारी एक्सरसाइजेस कवर कर ली हैं. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम वर्ब और इससे अगली जो एक्सरसाइजेस हैं वो करेंगे. टिल देन, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself and please subscribe the channel.